In this video, I'm going to show you how I made $245 just by promoting Fiverr affiliate links on Instagram. I will share with you which services you need to promote on Instagram if you want to earn commission, because you cannot promote any services. You need to choose specific services that people will be interested to watch, to buy from your affiliate link. Okay, so I'm going to share with you my method, so you can just copy and paste my method and you will start making money with Fiverr affiliates. Okay, so let's get started. Also, I'm gonna share with you a great method that you can use to send like 100, 200, 300 message with your affiliate links on Instagram. Okay, so keep watching this video if you are interested to start making money with a Fiverr affiliate, and let's get started. Okay, so as you can see over here, I made $245, and as you can see over here, it's paid. Okay, so I received this money on my PayPal account. So for people who are new to Fiverr affiliate and you want to start making money with Fiverr affiliate, what you need to do first is you need to go to Google, search for Fiverr. Okay, click on the first link over here and you need to sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish your sign up process, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one on Fiverr. Okay, so what you need to do is you just need to come to this page and scroll down like this, go to community and click over here on affiliate. You will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website, as you can see. So you can check this website and you can get ideas about how much you will earn for each service you will promote with Fiverr affiliates. But they pay good commission for almost all services. Okay, so to join Fiverr affiliates, you just need to click over here on join now. And as you can see, the sign up process to Fiverr affiliate is super easy and simple. Okay, so you just need to put your first name here, your last name, email address, username, password, account type, make it private. You will answer a few questions, choose your country. Okay, you can scroll down and choose your country, choose your language. Okay, and if you have Skype, you can put your Skype here. If you don't have, that's okay, just click on next and answer a few questions, and that's all. Okay, it's really easy and simple. After you finish your sign up process to Fiverr affiliate, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one on Fiverr affiliate. Okay, so this will be your Fiverr affiliate account. Okay, so what you need to do next is you need to go back to your home page on Fiverr. Okay, go back to your home page. Now I'm gonna share with you which service you need to promote on Instagram if you want to earn commission. Click on the search over here and search for YouTube promotion. Search for YouTube promotion, search for this service, scroll down. I want you to pay attention in this step. Okay, always make sure to choose good sellers. You need to choose good sellers. So if people click on your affiliate link and they find those sellers are good sellers, they will buy this service from your affiliate link and you will earn commission. Okay, so you can choose like level 1 seller, level 2 seller, top rated seller. Those sellers are good sellers. Okay, so in YouTube, so I'm gonna choose one of those. So let me see. Okay, I'm gonna choose this one. This one is level 2 seller. I will click on his service. You will be directly in his Fiverr profile page like this. Okay, and what you need to do next is you need to copy his profile link. Copy his profile link like this and go back to your Fiverr affiliate account. Click on marketing tools, default and deep links like this. Click over here, put this seller of a profile link here like this, and click over here again, and here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. Okay, what you need to do is you just need to copy this link from here, and as you can see this link is too much long, so we need to make it short to make it more professional and branding. Okay, so what you will do, you can go to Google and search for Bitly. Okay, search for this website, search for Bitly. This websites make long links short and you can use it for free. You just need to sign up by using your email address, then click on create new link and put your affiliate link here and click on create, and there you go. Your affiliate link will be a short link like this. Copy your affiliate link from here. Okay, next step now is you need to promote this affiliate link on Instagram. So let's go to Instagram. What you need to do is you need to open a business account on Instagram. Don't use your personal account. You need to open new account just for to promote affiliate links on Instagram. Okay, and open business account, then click on the search over here and search for hashtag YouTube. Okay, because we are promoting a YouTube service, search for this hashtag. Okay, like this. You will be directly in this page, and as you can see, those page over here, those Instagram page are using this hashtag YouTube. So you will find a lot of people here who has YouTube channels. So let's scroll down and let's choose one of those page to show you. Okay, let me see this one. For example, as you can see, this is YouTube channel picture here. Okay, so you can talk with this person. For example, let me see. Okay, let me see this one. Okay, let me see. Yes, this one is using hashtag YouTube channel, hashtag YouTube, hashtag YouTuber, hashtag YouTube videos. Let's check his page. And yes, this person has a YouTube channel. As you can see over here, this is his YouTube channel link. Okay, YouTube, this is his name. Okay, so what you will do is you will click over here on message. Okay, this person will be interested to grow his YouTube channel and promote his YouTube videos with my affiliate service. So what you will do is you will put your affiliate link here. Okay, like this, and you don't need to send just your affiliate link, you need to send description about this service. So what you will do is you will go back to this seller page on Fiverr, scroll down about this gig, this is his description. You will copy this description. I'm gonna just copy this part. Let's go to Instagram and let's put this description here like this. And you need to send this message to this person like this. Okay, this is your description that describe your service. Okay, and this is your affiliate link. Okay, so if this person is interested to grow his Instagram, his YouTube channel with this service, with YouTube promotion service, he will click on your affiliate link, and if he buy this service from your affiliate link, you will earn commission. Okay, it's really easy and simple. So that's how you can find people who will be interested to buy those services from your affiliate link, so you can earn commission. Just use this method. Okay, so I'm gonna show you now how you can send a lot of message with your affiliate links just in few minutes. Okay, so what you need to do is you need to go to Google and search for Instagram DM bot. Okay, search for this, scroll down. Okay, you can see over here Google, click on this link over here. You will be directly in this Chrome web store like this. You need to wait a few seconds, and here you go. You need to add this extension to your Chrome. Okay, you can just click over here on add to Chrome, and this extension will help you. It's an Instagram DM bot that will send automatically DMs with your affiliate link on Instagram to people who will be interested to buy this service from your affiliate link. So you can control this in the setting of this extension. Okay, So that's how you can send a lot of affiliate links to people who will be interested to buy this service, and you can earn commission. So thank you so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, leave a comment, and see you in my next video.